And please share a little bit about Better Body Expert as we start this process.
Well, Better Body Expert is a fitness solutions company, and basically we provide fitness solutions for workaholics, people who are on the go and people who don't have time. People who feel though they're too busy, so the demands of life keep them away from exercise. And if that's you, there's definitely something in our company to help you get fit in. To do a squat. It's a basic human movement.
All right.
And it's something that if you do lose the ability to do a squat, you lose the ability to do a lot of things in your life.
Okay.
All right. So,
Okay.
Rita, let's take both hands together.
Okay.
Like so.
Hands together.
Hands together.
Okay.
And I want you to stick your butt out.
All right. That I can do.
Hands overhead or outside is where you can move. Right?
Okay, so let's just see. Front,
Overhead and out.
and out. You're actually working
Working
this
your core because this has to stabilize.
in half an hour. I mean, at least that's what you shared with me. You're the expert. You tell us.
Well, you don't actually need a half an hour. You don't need a half an hour to exercise or to fit it in. What you could do is you can fit exercise in sporadically throughout your day, right? And then up.
And then up.
Very good. So that's one. Let's do 5, right?
Okay.
Ready? Begin. 2. And 3. So what you want to do is you want to continuously move, keeping your knees nice and soft,
Okay.
and they should never lock.
Okay.
Good. Now we're going to walk it out to a regular stance.
Okay.
Shoulder width. Now this works to